Learning letter A. We are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase a. Let's get started. This is an uppercase A. It has 3 steps. So, watching me carefully, our step 1, we go to the top of our writing space, our top line, and our first step is a straight line all the way down, slanting to the left and stopping at the bottom of our writing space. Lift, come back up to the top. We're going to do a slanted line down to the right, again, stopping at the end of our writing area. Lift, and then we're going to come straight across. And that is how you write an uppercase A. Okay, let's get our fingers ready. I would love for you to practice with me. Ready? Step 1. Slanted line down to the left. Stop. Lift and come back to the top. Step 2. Slanted line down to the right. Stopping. And coming right about here, we're going to do step 3, which is our straight line across. And that is how you write an uppercase A. Great job. Now it's your turn. I would like for you to write the uppercase letter A now. If your uppercase A looks like my uppercase A, then you are correct. Great job. Now, this is the lowercase a. It has 2 steps. Our first step, watching me carefully, our first step is we're going to make a circle going to the left. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, we come to the right side of our circle and we draw a straight line down. Notice that our lowercase a is much smaller than our uppercase a, and the steps are different. Our lowercase a only takes up about half of our writing space, starting and ending on the dashed middle line to our bottom line, okay? Let's keep going. Let's practice together. Get your fingers ready. Remember, step 1 is our circle. Stopping. Step 2, we go to the right of our circle and we draw a straight line down. And that is how you write a lowercase a. Now, let's review. We have our uppercase A on the left, our lowercase a on the right. So, get your fingers ready and let's do the uppercase A together. Step 1, slanted line down to the left, lifting and coming to the top. Step 2, slanted line down to the right, again stopping about the same place as our step 1. And then step 3, we do a straight line across. And that is how we write an uppercase A. You are doing great. Let's go to the right side. This is our lowercase a. Remember, it only has 2 steps. Step 1, let's do it together. Get those fingers ready. Okay. Step 1, we draw our circle and stop. Step 2, we come to the right side of our circle and we draw a straight line down. And that is how you write our lowercase a. Now it's your turn. I want you to practice writing our uppercase and lowercase a. But first, let's do uppercase A on the left side of our screen. Go ahead and practice writing uppercase A now. If your uppercase A looks like my uppercase A, then you did it correctly. Fantastic job. Now, keeping those fingers ready, let's go to the right side, and I want you to practice writing the lowercase a. Go ahead and do that now. If your lowercase a looks like my lowercase a, then you did it correctly. Fantastic job. And that is the end of our lesson in learning how to write uppercase and lowercase letter A.